PEAS. Okay, and we have taken the example of self-driving car to represent that. And you can see that this PEAS representation, that is performance, environment, actuators, sensors, how they will be actually involving in the process of means evaluating one particular agent's performance. Okay, like in this case, self-driving car. Similarly, we have many more examples, like in the case of medical diagnosis, what will be the performance measure? Like in the case of medical diagnosis, we have healthy patient, minimize cost. This will be performance measure. Then environment will be what? The patient itself is a part of the environment. Then hospital, then staff, then actuators will be what? Then the test that you have to go through, like suppose blood test, or suppose in the case of means this, you know, you already are very much aware with this COVID rapid test, these things, and then treatments. So these are the parts of actuators. Then sensors will be what? The keyboard, because you have to make entry of those symptoms. So in that way, this medical diagnosis system will act. Now, we have vacuum cleaner. You have already cited this example. I know that is very much clear to you now. Like in the case of vacuum cleaner, performance measures will be what? Cleanness, efficiency, battery life, security. These are few performance measures. But dear student, you have to note that these performance measures may be vary from from vacuum cleaner to vacuum cleaner. Means you may add more performance measures in this case. Okay, there is no problem at that. Then environment will be the same, because the room or where you are applying this, then table, wood floor, and then carpet and the other obstacles. Then the actuators will be wheels, brushes, vacuum extractor. Then sensors will be camera, dirt detection sensor, then clip sensor. Okay, there are many of them. Similarly, we have part picking robot. So performance measure will be what? Whether the robot is able to pick those parts, and if it is the case of suppose cleaning the room, whether it can correctly place or put those parts in a particular bin. Okay, that may be one performance measure. Then the environment will be like this different conveyor belt with parts, bins. Oh, then actuators will be their arms, then camera, joint angle sensor. So these are different sensors. So my means point is that you should know that what are the agents different performance measure will be, what will be the environment, what will be the actuators, and what will be the sensors. You should have very much idea about good idea about that. Like sensors, we are using it to collect what? Can you tell me why we are using the sensors? Quickly answered it. Sensor we are using for collecting the percepts. Okay, don't forget it. Actuators we are using for what? To perform something, to
Tools
perform,
record.
yeah, to perform some actions. The environment is nothing but that agents surrounding and those objects which are the part of that nearby means environment. Okay, then performance measure are the metrics by which we can measure the quality of the performance by that agent. Okay, so I hope now everything is clear to you, and this is one of the important topic of AI. Now, let's come to the different types of agent. So first one I just consider is simple reflex agent. So this simple reflex agent, this see already you these questions being come that the behavior or the nature of the agent, like in the case of simple reflex agent, this they choose actions only based on the current perceive. Now can you quickly answer me that what type of AI deal with only the current input and do not keep the past record? Can you quickly answer me this question?
A limited memory.
what I am saying is that it is not considering the past record. It is considering the present one only. And what will be
Sir,
that?
limited memory.
Limited memory. Okay. Come on, try. Others also try. What will be that one? वो AI कौन सा है जो जहां आप सिर्फ एंड सिर्फ करंट इनपुट के ऊपर फोकस करते हो जो पास्ट रिकॉर्ड से यू आर नॉट गोइंग दैट एज एन इज नॉट गोइंग टू कंसीडर दैट कम ऑन क्विकली आंसर दिस ठीक है आई डोंट गेट इट आंसर्स नाउ यू विल आंसर मी थ्रू कमेंट ओके
सर रिएक्टिव हेलो सर
यस
सर रिएक्टिव
but the response is coming lately. I need the response within the few seconds that I have answered the question. In that way, you have to memorize the terms. ठीक है? जो terms हैं, हम basic से देखो, basic से हम start कर रहे हैं. वो सारे terms आपका दिमाग में होना चाहिए. एकदम quickly response दे पाओ. ठीक है? अब ये answer आप सभी जन, जितने जन हो, सब answer करोगे immediately when you will get this answer in this lecture. Okay? Then, तो मैं अभी नहीं बता रहा हूँ. I got two different response. One said limited and another said what? Comment said, what is that?
Reactive.
Okay, I got two responses. One said reactive and another said limited. So I'm not now commenting on the answers. I'll see all of your responses and then I will comment. Now, this rational, they are rational only if a correct decision is made only on the basis of current percept and their environment is completely observable. Now you see that as the simple reflex agent is not focusing on the past record, it is just focusing on the current percepts, right? So their rationality, their behavior will be checked only by the looking at the outcomes or the action that it has taken on the basis of the current input. Okay, अगर उसने current percept को देख के सही decision ले पाया है तो we can say that that agent is rational. Okay, so so in that case the environment should be completely observable. अगर आप observe नहीं कर पाओगे, if you cannot observe it fully, then you cannot find out whether that agent is rational or not. Again, you do remember, मैंने आप लोगों को rationality के बारे में पहले पढ़ाया था. I have already gone through the term rational. I hope you all can remember that. Take it seriously. Okay, we have a depth meaning under the term rational agent. अगर last classes attend नहीं किया है तो फिर से एक बार देख लेना, ठीक है? तो rational होगा या नहीं होगा will look on their outcome, and that outcome is being performed by the agent only based on the current percept. That is all about simple reflex agent that you need to know about it. Now, look at this. What you can see, this is diagram. Here you will find condition action rule. It is a rule that maps a state to an action. Out of you now, how many of you are well aware with the term state? सभी लोग जानते हो ना स्टेट क्या होता है? इनिशियल स्टेट से कोई और एक स्टेट में जाता है.
Yes, sir.
You know that. Very good. So
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the condition action rule है. It is a rule that maps a state, that is a condition, to an action. मतलब एक स्टेट से वो एक कंडीशन के ऊपर बेसिस मतलब बेस करके वो दूसरा स्टेट पे जाएंगे. ठीक है? Now look at this diagram. This is environment. Environment से कौन इनपुट लेंगे? मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. वो होगा आपका क्या? सेंसर. ठीक है? Then sensor, how is the world like now? Then what actions I need to do? So what actions I need to do, that will be decided on the basis of the condition that we have already said. Okay, now what actions we need to do, that decision being made, but actually those actions will be performed by what? Factors, or you can say actuators. Now you got this. This picture is now very much clear to you. How the sensors act, what is the question, and how the effectors are associated with those tasks. Okay? Condition action rule, clear to you, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
moving
sir.
forward, I have come to the model-based reflex agent. What I have said, model-based reflex agent. Now, ये क्वेश्चन जो है यूजीसी नेट में पहले पूछा गया है. This question being already asked in the UGC NET examination. So please concentrate. Okay, there are some minute differences between these different types of agent which you need to find it out. Now, about the model-based reflex agent, they use a model of the world to choose their actions. What they are using? A model. Now, for that, they were also going to maintain an internal state. Now, यहाँ जहां मैं फोकस कर रहा हूं, क्या फोकस कर रहा हूं? In the case of model-based reflex agent, model is important, then internal state is important. Now, what is model? Means how model is associated here. Model means knowledge about how the things happen in the world. कोई भी चीजों के लिए कैसे हो रहा है, एक्चुअली हाउ दिस थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. मैंने बोला था आपको पहले ही कि एआई इज नथिंग बट ट्राइंग टू मैप योर रियल सिचुएशंस. हम अगर रोबोट को हमारे जैसे काम करवाना है तो वो रोबोट को वो चीज आपको सिखाना पड़ेगा एग्जैक्टली हाउ टू बिहेव. राइट. तो ये जो मॉडल है, मॉडल हमें क्या देंगे? मॉडल विल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. मॉडल विल आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट हाउ द थिंग्स हैपन इन द वर्ल्ड. दैट नॉलेज will be coming from the model. Okay, then internal state, it is a representation of unobserved aspects of current state depending on the perceived history. आप यहाँ देखो, this internal state is very much important. Why? Because it is actually observing the state with respect to perceived history. Perceived history, I already discussed in the class, means it is a sequence of different percepts being collected at different steps of time. Now, वो सारे input के लिए कैसे state behave कर रहा था, उसका भी observation करना जरूरी है. ठीक है, तो उस चीज के लिए हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? What we are using here is the internal state. Now you got what is model, now you got what is internal state. Now, next thing is that updating the state will require some information. And what are they actually, what are the information that will be required? First, how the world evolves. Second, how the action acts or affect the world. ठीक है, तो ये जो स्टेट है, ये स्टेट हम इसलिए यूज कर रहे हैं ताकि वी कैन बेटर ऑब्जर्व द सिचुएशंस. आप जब बेटर ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो आपको ये चीज देखना पड़ेगा, कोई भी एक्शन किसी पार्सेप्ट के लिए हो रहा है, कुछ इनपुट मिलने से हो रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ सम पार्सेप्ट, सम एक्शंस बीइंग टेकन बाय द एजेंट. बट how these means actions are impacting on the outside environment, that should be provided to that state so that we can update it time to time. So this is all about the model-based reflex agent. We have seen that, I'm repeating again, in case of model-based agent, we are focusing on two main things. First, model. Second, what? Internal state. Model, to know how the things happen in the world, and second, internal state, to observe the whole things, how this, because of different percepts, how the actions are being conducted by the agent. Okay? Now look at this figure. अब ये फिगर को, ये डायग्राम को, इमेज को अच्छे से आप लोग देखो, थोड़ा सा सेंस आपको समझ में आएगा. किससे? जो पहला जो आपको फिगर दिखाया था. Have you got this? आपने ये याद रख लिया या तो you have taken the screenshot?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
very good.
Yes,
Now coming to this one, you will see some changes. This one is for the model-based reflex agent, and this one is for some simple reflex agent. Now, what is the difference? You can notice here that here we are focusing on these two things. How world evolves, what my actions do. अब ये जो my है, obviously we are talking about the agent's actions. Okay, तो ये जो चीज है, we are observing through the internal state. So overall, this is related to the question, how is the world like now? Okay, मतलब मेरे मतलब एजेंट का एक्शंस के कारण एनवायरनमेंट पे क्या इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है, वो हम अच्छे से फोकस कर रहे हैं. किस वाले एजेंट में? मॉडल बेस्ड एजेंट में, राइट? सो Repeating it again, sensors collecting the percept state, how world evolves and what actions my actions do. This is under how is the world like now. Then, according to these situations, we need to decide that what actions we have to carry out on the basis of the conditions, action rules that we have already set, right? And based on that, the effectors will perform some actions. Again, repeatedly, these actions will impact the environment, and these things will be observed by that state for the percepts that we are collecting from the sensor. So these things will be carried on, and in that way, we will improvise our agent's performance. I hope now the scenario is now very much clear to you.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, self-driving cars ক্ষেত্ৰত sir মানে GPS গোটেই systemটো sir এটো agents খিনি এটো হেৰি কৰিব ন মানে monitoring খিনি sir.
Obviously, this agent is what actually agente দুটা কাম কৰে প্ৰথম কথাটো হৈছে কি এজেন্টে তোমাৰ পৰা ইনপুট লব তোমাৰ পৰা মানে এনভায়ৰনমেন্টৰ পৰা ইনপুটটো লব আৰু সেকেন্ড কি কৰিব সেই ইনপুটটোৰ এগেইনষ্টত কিছুমান একচন পাৰফৰ্ম কৰিব এই যে ইনপুট খিনি লৈছে হেতুক আমি কওঁ আৰ্টিফিশিয়াল ইন্টেলিজেন্সৰ ভাষাত পারসেপ্ট লোৱা বুলি ওকে আৰু সেই পারসেপ্ট খিনি কাৰণে আমি যিখিনি একচনস পারফর্ম কৰো সেইখিনিক আমি এক্সুৱেটাৰ্ছৰ দ্বাৰা পারফর্ম কৰো বুলি কওঁ বা এফেক্টৰ্ছৰ যেটা তুমি যে ক'লা জিপিএস ইজ গিভিং আস হোৱাট location information that is also some kind of percept but based on that information how the car will be turned left or right or to which location we need to move these things will be decided and accordingly these things will be performed okay so that's how these things are happening with respect to self-driving car got it now I hope whoever asked the question is now clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, today's question that you have to answer that what are the difference that you'll find between these two agents? First, simple reflex agent and second, model-based reflex agents. आप फिर से इसको देखोगे देखो ऐसे ही आंसर मत कर देना आप लोग अच्छे से एनालिसिस करोगे you will give me your own answer you will not be going to copy it from Google charts or whatever wherever you are finding it you just apply your own logic you answer that got my question मेरा जो question आप सभी को समझ में आ गया
yes sir
ठीक है ऐसे ही आप AI सीख पाओगे AI तभी सीख पाओगे जब आप खुद अपना लॉजिक लगाओगे क्योंकि आप जानते हो कॉमन सेंस इज ए पार्ट ऑफ AI okay now coming to the next agent अब मैं next agent में आ रहा हूं वो है goal based agent goal okay from the term itself what do we understand by goal goal means some objectives that we fix with respect to some actions that we are going to take isn't it हमारे लिए goal यही रहता है ना जैसे आप डिसाइड करके रखे हो कि मुझे कल डेटा साइंटिस्ट बनना है और कोई ये डिसाइड करके रखे हो कि मुझे कहीं और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की लाइन में जाना है so anything you are deciding from now onwards that is the objective or that you are going to achieve right so goal is that thing now coming to the goal based agents they choose their actions in order to achieve those goals goal based approach is more flexible than reflex agent since the knowledge supporting a decision is explicitly modeled, thereby allowing for modification. Now, in AI, how we define goal? In AI, we define goal is the description of some desirable situations. ठीक है अब मैं यहाँ 2-3 लाइन जो मैंने यहाँ बोला आप लोग उसमें फोकस करो पहला जो लाइन मैंने आप लोगों को कहा कि जो गोल बेस्ड अप्रोच है ये रिफ्लेक्स एजेंट से फ्लेक्सिबल है अब आंसर क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्यों फ्लेक्सिबल है व्हाई गोल बेस्ड अप्रोच इज मोर फ्लेक्सिबल देन रिफ्लेक्स एजेंट क्योंकि यहाँ हम मॉडिफिकेशन को अलाउ करते हैं मतलब वो पर्टिकुलर गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए अगर हमें कुछ चेंजेस भी करना है decision making process में we can do it okay that is the flexibility concerned with in the case of goal based agent but आप अगर देखोगे reflex agent में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है कारण इनपुट मिल रहा है और उसके बेसिस पे एक्शन हो रहा है There is no such thing like modification, right? But this modification is allowed in the case of goal-based agent. और ये भी question पहले आप competitive examination में पूछा गया था. Okay, I hope now everybody noticed and noted down this point I have just mentioned. Now look at this figure. In this case also, you can notice some changes. And what is the change you can notice here is this one. Okay, so sensors collecting information, state to yahan bhi hai, how world evolves, but how is the world like now? What happens if I do that action? These two are related. Then what my actions do? Now what actions I need to do? मैं मतलब एजेंट क्या एक्शन लेंगे वो पूरा डायरेक्टली डिपेंड कर रहा है कहां? गोल में. अगर गोल को अचीव करने के लिए कुछ चेंजेस करना है, it is allowed or it is permitted with respect to goal based agent, which is not permitted with respect to simple reflex agent. Got it? बुझी पाला सबे? सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So answer the questions that I'm going to I have asked already in this lecture, and for today this much knowledge is sufficient. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.